What is up, guys? This is the B Marvel True Wireless Earbuds, BM1 evidently. Touch control, IPX5. I don't know what aptX stereo sound is. Noise reduction, long battery life, because I think you can charge these things 3 times. In the Amazon description, I think it says like 42 hours of playtime or whatever. It does charge by USB Type-C, and they auto pair when you open them, kind of like the AirPods. So, I don't know too much. I'll put a link in the description. These are on sale. They're originally like $30, and I got them for $9. So I couldn't really pass that up. So let's see what it comes with. Warranty card. So you have 14 days to activate. Quick start guide. A little user manual. Pairing. Yes, you can wireless charge these. One of the reasons why I got it. And different language. Here's a charging cord, which is a short USB Type-C. You have alternate ear thingy-jingies. Let's see which ones they have in here for us. So these, I believe, go around the outside of the whole earbud, and then this little bit gives you that little hook in the ear that says left. So they're oriented, so you got some small, large, and here's the case. So it's cool. My hand's not super big, but it fits right in the palm of my hand. It's a bit thick though. I don't know that it'd definitely be pocket, but here's the USB Type-C, wireless charging on the bottom. Well, I'll test that out. It says B Marvel on it, and you open them up. So it looks like they come almost fully charged. Like most things, you're supposed to charge them up before you use them. And then when you open them, they should search or pair with your device. Little points for charging, matches those points. So you gotta pull that off so that way it can charge. This is the right, and I don't know how comfortable they are yet, but amazingly, they're fairly comfortable in the ear. Some reviews said that they do pretty well for like working out. I don't know about that, but they do appear to have a mic on both. You can run these solely with just one, and you can run it solely with one with either one. So not just, there's not a main one, the left and right. And that's it. Link in the description if you'd like. I don't know if they're still on sale, but that's what you get in the box.